Welcome to ICT and Computing at George Salter Academy. So, firstly, we're going to take a look at the different specifications we offer and how they tie in for your career prospects or your progress after George Salter Academy. So, currently in computer science, we do the OCR J277 spec. This consists of two modules. Module 1, which is the architecture of the CPU and the topics on the left, going all the way up to ethical and legal on the right. Then module 2 is from computational thinking all the way down to languages and IDEs. So your component 1 is mostly your theory behind computer science, and then your component 2 is more the practical side of computer science with programming and how we design programs and how we fix them. Then we also offer BTEC Digital Information Technology. This consists of three components: Component 1, Component 2, and Component 3. Now, Component 1 and 2 you will complete in what we call a PSA format. This is a controlled assessment where over a period of about 12 lessons you will complete an assessment which will consist of practical skills such as making user interface or completing some form of pro forma to then output at the end and review. This will be the same for Component 1 and Component 2. Then you will move on to Component 3, which is your exam. Your exam will consist of the following topics: modern technologies, impact of modern technologies, threats to data, prevention and management of threats to data, policies, responsible use of technology, ethical and legal aspects of technology, and forms of notation. This differs from the computer science specification, as the computer science specification is 2 years of theoretical learning and practical learning, which then summarizes in an exam, which is a pass or fail, as opposed to your BTEC, which is classed as what we call a terminal exam, so you can pass the coursework and then not necessarily pass the exam and still pass the course overall. In terms of career paths, computer science will lead you onto careers through robotics, through electrical engineering, engineering in general, any career which uses critical thinking skills. IT will offer you different routes into jobs, such as technician work or practical applications such as network administration, etc. It will teach you the basic fundamentals of these topics. You can also progress onto post 16 by extending yourself via our Key Stage 5 courses at George Salter, or progressing into different college courses through BTEC Level 3 vocational courses for your digital information, or likewise you can complete a computer science A level. If you have any further questions on any of our courses, feel free to contact the email on our site alex.finch@georgesalter.com.